Friends, he is the boy. तुम्हें ध्यान है, मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ कि आईआईटी में जाके बहुत बच्चे खुश होते हैं that we are getting into the IITs, but कुछ बच्चे ऐसे होते हैं जिन पे IITs को गर्व होता है when they join those IITs. तो ऐसा बच्चा हमारे बीच मौजूद है. 8 सेमेस्टर्स में IIT बॉम्बे में, out of those 8, in 6 semesters he had a perfect 10, not in one course, throughout, overall. He is a role model to all, let me tell you, at least me. And I feel so grateful to share the stage with him. I'm about to. Awesome student. 10 में से 8 semesters में perfect 10. And at the end of the 4 years, he is graduating this year from IIT Bombay. He is, तुम्हें क्या लगता है रैंक होगी इसकी? He is the institute rank 1 at IIT Bombay. Out of, I don't know, 800, 900 कितने बच्चे होते हैं एक बैच में? Institute rank 1, not just topper of his own department, computer science, but overall topper grade wise. Can we have a very big round of applause for, now you know him. आपको अभी तक भी नहीं समझ में आया तो मैं आपको दंग कर देता हूँ. वेदांग असगांवकर के लिए जोरदार तालियां, रुकनी नहीं चाहिए. इनफैक्ट बच्चों यार खड़े होकर तालियां बजाओ यार इसके लिए. एक बहुत रेप्यूटेड एग्जाम हुआ करता था KVPY, सब टॉप स्टूडेंट्स लिखते थे KVPY. क्या रैंक थी इसकी? ऑल इंडिया रैंक 1 यार. कम ऑन यार, ये बच्चा है यार. फेलिसिटेशन इसका ऑनलाइन हुआ था ड्यू टू कोविड 2020 बैच. तो आज मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है दैट ही इज हियर फॉर द फेलिसिटेशन फंक्शन. JEE Advanced, the exam that matters, all India rank 7. Friends, big round of applause for Vedant. Vedant भाई, क्या शेयर करना चाहते हो अपनी जर्नी के बारे में? कुछ बताना चाहो? I have already shared you were topper at IIT Bombay, are the topper at IIT Bombay. और कुछ तुम शेयर करना चाहो?
So, sir ने इतना तगड़ा introduction दिया है. I hope I can live up to that. So, yeah, thanks a lot for having me here, and heartiest congratulations to all of you who have gone to your dream colleges. These are amazing places where you get a lot of opportunities. And for those of you who had better expectations, I'll tell you that this is not the end of life. A 6-hour exam does not determine who you are. So keep persevering and keep doing good. Today I won't be talking about JEE preparation because your seniors here are in a better position to do that. They have more recent experience. But what I'll be talking about is what happens in the 4 years that follow JEE. What is the journey after that? So, even after JEE, I was extremely competitive, and my teachers can vouch for that. But that's not how it works. So, in the first year, I was filling out this form for something called as MIT transfer or exchange, and they had a criterion there which said that you have to have a well-rounded personality. Now, what does that mean? That means that you have to do amazing in your academics, you have to have all these internships, you have to have a lot of research work, you have to have a lot of projects. And all of this is going to take in the same skill that helped you to crack this top exam, that helped you to crack JEE Advanced. It's the same level of perseverance, it's the same level of tapasya that goes in. But simultaneously, what it also means is that you have to build other aspects of your personality. And this is very important. This is a stage that these top institutes are going to provide to you. They're going to let you build your public speaking skills. They're going to let you build your communication skills. How and who do you make friends with? All this is very important, and this is what these 4 years are going to teach you. These are also amazing places for exploring other opportunities. You can work on your fitness, you can work on the creative side of yourself. All of these IITs, BITS and all these top institutes provide. Another important aspect I would like to stress on is that these top institutes will provide you excellent funding, excellent research equipment, and excellent technology for doing whatever kind of study you want. So these institutes have something called as tech teams. They have various research groups, and I would strongly urge you to take all this up when you go to these top colleges. Yeah, and all this aside, again, I would like to stress that focusing on your core, on your academics, on your research work, all this continues to be extremely important. It cannot be sidelined at any cost. So yeah, this is my honest piece of advice to you for the next 4 years, and I wish all of you all the best. I also wish all the juniors who are here who are going to give JEE to all the best, and that you should follow whatever advice your seniors are giving, whatever advice your teachers are giving, and do amazing in your life. Thank you.